Deliver Guys is not just another food ordering platform for customer. Instead, it provides solution for local restaurants to handle their own deliveries. Whether you receive orders via phone or your website, we'll connect you with the nearest delivery driver at a reasonable cost. Restaurants can instantly request a delivery driver through Deliver Guys. You won't have to pay a percentage of your sales, you only pay the driver for the delivery. After COVID pandemic, home delivery became a necessity for businesses. Yet the process remained challenging and inefficient, leaving profitability in doubt. The challenges: less, zero profit. If excessive drivers are scheduled, customer dissatisfaction with limited drivers, escalating labor costs, high delivery insurance and repair costs. This inefficiency predominantly affects restaurants and takeaways, where timely delivery is crucial for food. Deliver Guys resolve this. Many delivery riders locally joint and are waiting for orders. Advantages: request a rider instantly whenever required. Track pickup delivery time. Request proof of delivery. No need to retain drivers on a permanent basis. Our platform also offers delivery riders with opportunities for extra income and flexibility. Timely service for customers. So what are you waiting for? Join to Deliver Guys.